Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new Valorant video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to change your name in Valorant. First of all guys, if you went to your Valorant client and then you opened it, so let me just open my client real quick, you will notice that your name is actually related to the name that you have created your account for the first time. For me, for example, I have my name related to the Valorant or not the Valorant to the League of Legends nickname. So when I created my first account in Riot Games, I have created it in League of Legends. And the nickname that I have chosen in League of Legends is actually following me into Valorant. So how can I actually change my name or my nickname in Valorant? It is pretty simple. There's actually too many ways, but I will show you two ways right now. So the first way, which is signing in into your League of Legends account if you have it. If not, you can just create one. And then guys, basically you just have to earn some RP by buying it or like going to your blue essence and it's enough blue essence to be able to change your nickname inside of League of Legends itself. But let's say that you don't have League of Legends and you don't want to get to these steps. So how you can change your Valorant ID? Just go to your Riot Games account, and then from here, guys, you can go to your game account or account details, or you can go to settings if you want to change anything in your settings. And you can just click here, account details, really quick. So let's click on it. And here we go. Now they will ask us for authorization. So confirm your password. Let me just confirm my password. Let me just check this out. Here we go. Let me just change this real quick. I might have forgotten about my password. Nice. So now they sent me a confirmation email. Let me just go and get it real quick and I will be right back to you guys. So here we are back. And now basically in order for you to change your nickname, you just have to go here to write ID and tagline and basically put whatever you want. So here you can put your right game ID and here your tagline and save changes. And it's just like so you will be creating your own right ID and your Valorant name account. So yeah guys, that's how you can change your Valorant name. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.